Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a personal shopping business with Instacart. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start your personal shopping business with Instacart, first, visit the Instacart website and sign up for an account. Next, familiarize yourself with the platform by exploring the user interface. Create a new account by entering your email address and setting up a password. Once registered, download the Instacart Shopper app from the App Store or Google Play. Log into the app using your newly created account credentials. Complete your shopper profile by providing the necessary information, such as your location and availability. Attend the onboarding session provided by Instacart to understand the process and policies. After onboarding, start browsing available batches in your area using the app. Select a batch that fits your schedule and accept it to begin the shopping process. Review the shopping list provided in the app before heading to the store. Head to the designated store and gather the items listed in the order. Use the app to scan items as you add them to your cart, ensuring accuracy. If an item is out of stock, make a note and choose a suitable replacement, if allowed. Once you have gathered all items, proceed to checkout using the app's instructions for payment. After checking out, carefully pack the groceries to ensure safe delivery. Navigate to the customer's address using the app for directions. Deliver the groceries and ensure the customer is satisfied with their order. Complete the order in the app to receive payment for your completed shopping trip. Monitor your performance and customer ratings to improve your service over time. Explore opportunities to expand your business by networking or offering additional services. Stay informed about Instacart's updates and promotions to maximize your earnings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.